Garmin watches don't have a built-in activity for free solo. But just in case you ever need to free solo Taipei 101, let's take a look at which activity you should choose. Climb indoor. Bouldering. Floor climb. Mountaineering. Which one do you think is the best for recording a free solo climb? The answer is mountaineering. Did you get it right? Let's see why. Climb indoor and bouldering may seem the closest to free solo, but the way the watch records these activities isn't ideal. Both require you to select a route grade each time, and they focus on tracking which routes you attempt and how well you perform on each one, like whether you completed the route or how many times you fell. So they're not suitable for recording a free solo climb. As for floor climb, this activity mainly uses arm movement to estimate how many floors you've climbed, which is obviously quite different from free soloing. Also, these three are all indoor activities, so they don't use GPS, which means lower accuracy for elevation and distance. On the other hand, mountaineering is an outdoor activity and includes several features designed specifically for elevation changes, making it the most suitable choice for free soloing. There are three features in particular that are really useful. The first is auto climb. You can find it in the mountaineering settings. When your vertical speed exceeds a set threshold, the watch automatically switches to your climb screen, so you don't need to change data screens manually. The second feature is 3D speed and 3D distance. When enabled, the watch includes vertical gain and distance calculations, making both speed and distance more accurate. The third feature is sensor mode. Go to Watch Settings, System, Altimeter and Barometer, and set sensor mode to altimeter only. This makes the watch treat pressure changes as altitude changes instead of weather effects, which is perfect for activities with significant elevation gain, like free soloing. Also, if you're free soloing Taipei 101, you can manually calibrate the altimeter to 0 meters before starting. That's because 508 meters refers to the building height, not elevation above sea level. And that's it. Next time you need to free solo Taipei 101, don't forget to choose mountaineering.